quiet, deliberate. Even in a state of total physical and mental rest, you are burning through fuel. Your body maintains a constant baseline burn of energy just to keep your heart beating and your temperature stable, a process known as basal metabolism. To see exactly how demanding this resting state is, look at this equation. Take your body weight in pounds and multiply that by 15. That resulting number is a rough baseline of the calories you must generate every single day just to survive. This creates an immediate biological problem. Humans cannot absorb ambient energy directly from the sun or the earth. We have to violently dismantle foreign matter, plants and animals, to extract their stored calories. The body solves this problem with the alimentary canal. This is a continuous hollow processing tube hidden entirely within your torso. Fully stretched out, it measures a staggering 9 meters, or roughly 30 feet from end to end. Eating initiates a highly coordinated, high-stakes mechanical and chemical extraction process that is strictly required to stave off human starvation. The extraction begins the moment solid matter enters the mouth. Here, an array of 32 adult teeth delivers the first phase of mechanical destruction, shattering the food into manageable fragments. These teeth are highly specialized tools. The 8 incisors in the front and the 4 sharp canines act as blades for cutting and tearing, while the broad, flat molars in the back are engineered strictly for heavy crushing. A simultaneous chemical attack follows. The salivary glands pump out 1,200 to 1,500 milliliters of fluid daily, releasing an enzyme called ptyalin that immediately begins converting complex starches into simpler maltose sugars. This dismantled mass is then swallowed, dropping into the esophagus, a 25-centimeter muscular chute that uses rhythmic contractions to forcefully push the matter downward. It lands in the stomach, a J-shaped muscular pouch. In a newborn, this chamber holds barely 30 milliliters, but an adult stomach expands to hold up to 1,500 milliliters of material at once. Here, the body turns up the intensity. The stomach lining secretes intense acids and a battery of gastric juices, pepsin, renin, and lipase. Deep muscular layers churn this mixture relentlessly, reducing the food to a uniform, semi-liquid state known as chyme. By the time it is ready to leave the stomach, the original meal is completely unrecognizable. It has been reduced to a dangerous, highly acidic slurry, prepped for deep nutrient harvesting. This acidic chyme squeezes out of the stomach and enters the duodenum, a short C-shaped tunnel that acts as a vital intersection point. Here, heavy auxiliary organs intercept the chyme. The liver, the body's largest gland, weighing 1.5 kilograms, produces up to a liter of bile every day. Stored in the gallbladder, this bile is injected into the duodenum to obliterate fat molecules. The pancreas also joins the fray, flooding the chamber with its own digestive juices. Its beta cells simultaneously secrete insulin directly into the blood, strictly controlling how the body will eventually process all the resulting sugar. Neutralized and heavily processed, the mixture enters the longest single stretch of the human body, the 5 to 6 meter small intestine. This vast, tightly coiled surface area performs the final microscopic breakdown. Proteins are stripped down into amino acids, carbohydrates into glucose, and fats into fatty acids. These base molecules are finally small enough to absorb directly through the intestinal walls and into the bloodstream. This 5-meter stretch is the true biological threshold. It is the exact location where dead foreign matter transforms into living human fuel. What remains after this massive extraction is largely depleted, watery waste. This refuse is pushed into the final phase of the canal, the 5-foot large intestine. Structurally, this organ is built differently than the small intestine. It features a much wider cavity, thick longitudinal muscle bands that pull it into distinct pouches, and exterior fat nodules that line its walls. Its ultimate job is strict survival economics. It aggressively reabsorbs the remaining water back into the body to prevent dehydration, while resident bacteria synthesize crucial compounds like vitamin B. Guarding the entrance to this waste sector is the appendix. It houses the body's highest concentration of lymphatic cells, acting as a security checkpoint to fight off pathogens. Biological waste management is as critical as the extraction itself. Failing to recover that water, or failing to excrete the useless remnants via the rectum and anus, results in total systemic failure. The final sum of this entire 9-meter digestive journey is exactly what physically propels your body forward every day. The continuous, unseen chemical reactions happening in every cell to maintain life are collectively known as metabolism. This is a master equation of two opposing forces. On one side is catabolism, the destruction phase, breaking apart complex compounds to release raw kinetic energy and bodily heat. On the other side is anabolism, the creation phase, synthesizing those raw fragments into new tissue required for growth and repair. The alimentary canal serves as a biological forge, systematically destroying the outside world to continuously rebuild the human body from the inside out.